students, today we are going to see chapter number 2, that is a final account of partnership firm. So this is the 12th commerce and subject is account. So this is the fourth part of the chapter number 2. In our first, second, third part we have seen the meaning and characteristic of financial statement, and again we have seen trading account as well as profit and loss account. Today we are going to see profit and loss appropriation account. The word appropriation itself is telling us that the appropriation means the division of the profit. So here in this account we are going to divide the profit amongst the partner. So let's see the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, now let's see profit and loss appropriation account. So here, to disclose the distribution of profit and loss between the partners, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. So here we are preparing profit and loss appropriation account so that we can distribute the profit among the partner. And here profit and loss appropriation account is a part of profit and loss account. So it is a part of profit and loss account, and it is not mandatory to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. If a partner wish, they can prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Otherwise, if they don't want, it is not compulsory. So they cannot prepare. It is a fine. So that is. And here, if the partners are willingly ready to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, at the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, net loss which is transferred from the profit and loss account will be shown. Then the next account is interest on partners capital, then interest on credit balance of current account, then salary, bonus, commission, remuneration, whichever is given to the partner will be debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Then the last thing is the amount transferred to general reserve will be debited to profit and loss appropriation account. So these are the things that are supposed to be debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Now let's see on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Very first thing is the net profit which is transferred from the profit and loss account, that is supposed to be shown. The next one is the interest on drawing, interest on debit balance of the current account are shown. So these are the items that is supposed to be shown on the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. Now if the total of credit side is more than the debit side, it is considered as a divisible profit. And as we know that divisible profit supposed to be credited to partners capital or current account. Capital and current account, again we have to decide from the capital method. If the partners are following fixed capital account method, then we have to prepare current account, and if the partner they are following fluctuating capital account method, then we have to prepare the capital account. So whatever profit is there, that is supposed to be credited to partners capital or current account. Now if the total of debit side is more than the credit side, it is a divisible loss. If the total of the debit side is more than the credit side, it is considered as a divisible loss. And again we know that this loss supposed to be debited to partners capital or current account according to capital account method. So this is how we supposed to prepare the partners profit and loss appropriation account. Now let's see the same with the help of the specimen. So here is the specimen of the profit and loss appropriation account, where there is a heading is a profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending of partnership firm. So here on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, very first thing is given to us is a net loss which is transferred from profit and loss account. The next thing is a partners interest on partners capital, that is making the total of all the partner that we are going to take to the amount column. The next is the interest on credit balance of current account of partner. Then salary, bonus, commission, remuneration to the partner. And the lastly, it is a general reserve. And on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account, very first thing is a net profit, that is again transfer from the profit and loss account. Then the next thing is the interest on partners drawing, that is again how many partners are there, total of them that we are going to take to the amount column. Then next is the interest on debit balance of current account of partner. And this is how, if the total of the credit side is more, then it will be a divisible profit. But if the total of the debit side is more, then it will be a divisible loss. So this is how we are supposed to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Students, you may prepare it. Thank you for watching this video. In our next video, we are going to see partners capital account.